So first is the router. A router forms network and manage the flow of data within and between those network. It includes data packet routing, network address filtering, and acting as an intermediary between networks. This helps you connect multiple devices to internet and connect the devices to each other. Second, the switch. Switch enable connected devices to share information and talk to each other. The switch main purpose is to forward frames as fast and efficiently as possible. Third is the server. A server stores, sends, and receives data. It acts as central point where data is collected, processed, and distributed to the intended recipients. Example, your devices connects to the host server, which then retrieves the requested information and send it back to you. And there is two laptops and PCs which will send or receive information from other devices.